Hello everybody, this is Cap here, and I'd like to welcome you to the 6th video in my Visual Basic tutorial series. So in this video we are going to be talking about if statements. So if statements allow us to better control the flow of our programs and can make our programs appear to be, smarter, I guess you could say. So let's start by creating an integer variable called age as integer, set it equal to 25. We'll say if age is less than 30, then console.writeLine you are younger than 30. So with an if statement, we of course use keyword if, and then we have a condition. And this condition has to evaluate to either true or false. If it evaluates to true, it executes the code here. But if it evaluates to false, then it skips over it. So in this case, we run it. It says you are younger than 30 because of course this evaluated to true because 25 is less than 30. So if we changed this to say 35, it won't do anything because it skips over that chunk of code there because this evaluated to false. So we want it to at least say something or give some sort of indication that something happened. So we can come down here and say else. Oh, there we go. Console.writeLine you're older than 30. So now let's save that. It says you were older than 30. So if this evaluates to false, then it executes the code here after the else. Now you can get even more complex than this by using else if statements. Let's get rid of that. Let's say if age less than or equal to 21, oops, there we go, and age less than 30, then console.writeLine you are young. So then we can say else if age greater than or equal to 30, and age here less than 50, then console.writeLine you are more experienced. So we say else if, and you can add as many else ifs as you want. Age greater than or equal to 50, and age less than 110, then console.writeLine, you are awesome. And then finally, we can have an else as kind of a catch-all, to where if none of these evaluate to true, it will run this code. Say console.writeLine entry not valid. And this should be greater than equal to. Okay, I think everything else is good there. So if we save it and run it, say you were more experienced because we have 35. And if we say 25, you were young. Or 80, you were awesome. And finally, to test the last one, we'll just say 200. Entry not valid. So, as you can see here, we have a compound condition using the AND. So, or using AND, which basically means that both of these have to be true in order to run this code. Now there's also an OR, which means that this condition or this condition can be true to run this code. And there are also a few more, but those are the most common ones you'll probably be using. So that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. If you liked it, please let me know by hitting the like button. If you've seen a few of my videos and like them, you can go ahead and subscribe so you can see when I post new ones. And I would like to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.